Hey bike culture family, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a motorcycle that blends long and low cruiser attitude with Yamaha's reputation for reliability and refined engineering. This is the new Yamaha Stryker 2026, a bike that doesn't scream for attention with wild gimmicks but instead commands respect with its presence, proportions, and road-soaked personality. The Stryker has always been about attitude, and for 2026 Yamaha brings it back with subtle modern updates while staying true to its iconic chopper-inspired DNA. If you love stretched-out cruisers, big torque, and a bike that looks just as good parked outside a cafe as it does rolling down the highway, this one deserves your full attention. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha Stryker sits a powerful 1,304 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine, a motor that's all about torque, smooth delivery, and that unmistakable cruiser pulse. Yamaha hasn't tried to reinvent the wheel here, and that's a good thing. This engine delivers strong low-end and mid-range pull, making city riding relaxed and highway cruising effortless. Twist the throttle and the Stryker responds with a deep, satisfying surge rather than frantic acceleration. It's tuned for real-world riding, where rolling on power matters more than chasing top-end numbers. The 5-speed transmission is geared tall, perfect for long highway stretches, keeping engine vibration minimal while maintaining that classic V-twin rumble beneath you. One of the standout performance aspects of the Stryker 2026 is how balanced it feels despite its stretched chopper stance. The long wheelbase and raked front end give it that unmistakable custom look, but Yamaha's chassis tuning keeps it stable and predictable. On straight roads, the bike feels planted and confident, almost floating as it eats up miles. In corners, it may not be a sport bike, but for a cruiser with this silhouette, it handles remarkably well. The low center of gravity inspires confidence, especially for riders who enjoy relaxed cruising rather than aggressive corner carving. This is a bike designed to flow with the road, not fight it. Braking performance is handled by a strong front disc setup paired with a rear disc, offering consistent stopping power for a bike of this size and weight. Yamaha has refined the brake feel for 2026, giving riders better feedback at the lever. It's not abrupt, which suits the cruiser character perfectly, but it's more than capable of hauling the Stryker down from highway speeds with confidence. ABS comes standard, adding an extra layer of safety without intruding on the riding experience. For long-distance cruising and daily rides alike, the braking system feels reassuring and well-matched to the bike's personality. Now let's talk about design, because this is where the Yamaha Stryker truly shines. The 2026 model stays loyal to its iconic stretched chopper look, featuring a long, raked front fork, a slim fuel tank, and a low-slung seat that puts the rider right into the bike. The silhouette is unmistakable, instantly recognizable from a distance. Yamaha has refined the body lines with cleaner finishes, sharper paint options, and subtle detailing that makes the bike look premium without losing its raw cruiser appeal. This is not a retro bike pretending to be modern, it's a modern cruiser that respects classic chopper aesthetics. The fuel tank flows beautifully into the seat, creating a seamless profile that emphasizes length and stance. The teardrop-shaped tank looks muscular yet elegant, and the updated paint finishes for 2026 add depth and richness under sunlight. Chrome accents are tastefully applied, not overdone, giving the Stryker that classic cruiser shine without feeling excessive. The exhaust system, with its long, sweeping pipes, adds to the stretched visual drama while delivering a deep, throaty exhaust note that sounds just right for a V-twin cruiser. Ergonomics on the Stryker 2026 are all about comfort and control. The low seat height makes it accessible for a wide range of riders, especially those who prefer feet-forward riding positions. The handlebars are positioned to give a relaxed reach, reducing fatigue on longer rides. Your legs stretch forward to the foot pegs, creating that laid-back cruiser posture that feels natural the moment you sit on the bike. Yamaha has also improved seat cushioning for 2026, making longer journeys more comfortable without sacrificing the bike's sleek profile. Technology on the new Yamaha Stryker is intentionally minimal, staying true to its cruiser roots. You won't find massive TFT screens or complicated riding modes here, and that's exactly the point. Instead, you get a clean, easy-to-read digital instrument cluster that provides essential information like speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data. Everything is clear at a glance, letting you focus on the ride rather than scrolling through menus. For many cruiser enthusiasts, this simplicity is a huge selling point. One of the unique selling points of the Yamaha Stryker 2026 is how it bridges the gap between factory reliability and custom bike styling. It looks like something you'd see in a custom bike show, yet it comes straight from Yamaha with proven engineering, dependable components, and everyday usability. You don't have to worry about aftermarket reliability or constant tuning. This is a bike you can ride daily, tour on weekends, and still turn heads wherever you park it. Another major advantage is Yamaha's reputation for durability. The Stryker is built to last, with high-quality materials and a proven engine platform that's known for its longevity. Maintenance is straightforward, and parts availability is excellent, making it an attractive option for riders who want a long-term cruiser companion rather than a short-term thrill. For riders in markets where reliability and resale value matter, this is a big win. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Yamaha Stryker is expected to come in around $14,500 to $15,500, depending on market and optional accessories. This positions it competitively within the premium cruiser segment, offering a unique chopper-style look at a price that undercuts many custom and boutique cruiser brands. When you consider the engine size, build quality, and brand reliability, the value proposition becomes even stronger. The Stryker also offers excellent customization potential. Yamaha's accessory lineup allows riders to personalize their bike with different seats, handlebars, exhaust options, saddlebags, and cosmetic upgrades. Whether you want a cleaner, minimalist look or a more touring-oriented setup, the Stryker can adapt to your riding style. This flexibility makes it appealing to both first-time cruiser buyers and experienced riders looking for a stylish, dependable platform to make their own. So who is the Yamaha Stryker 2026 really for? This bike is perfect for riders who appreciate classic chopper aesthetics but don't want the hassle that often comes with owning a custom motorcycle. It's for riders who enjoy relaxed cruising, long highway rides, and the feeling of being connected to a powerful V-twin engine. It's also for those who want something different from the usual cruiser crowd, something that stands out without shouting. Whether you want a cleaner, minimalist look or a more touring-oriented setup, the Stryker can adapt to your riding style. This flexibility makes it appealing to both first-time cruiser buyers and experienced riders looking for a stylish, dependable platform to make their own. As we wrap things up, the new Yamaha Stryker 2026 proves that sometimes evolution is better than revolution. Yamaha has taken a beloved cruiser formula and refined it for modern riders without losing its soul. It's powerful, comfortable, visually striking, and built with the reliability Yamaha is known for. In a world full of high-tech, overcomplicated motorcycles, the Stryker reminds us that riding can still be about simplicity, style, and pure enjoyment. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yamaha Stryker 2026, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Bike Culture, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Stryker and whether you'd choose it over other cruisers in this segment. Until next time, ride safe, ride free, and keep the culture alive.